Hey everybody, it's been a little while since I've posted a video, but I got some more goodies that I ordered just after Christmas from eBay from a company called Audio Savings. Got some stereo equipment for the RZR, so it is all in the corner. I have ordered the Rockford Fosgate PMX2 head unit, the dash install kit. The head unit, I believe, they came in bundles. The head unit, I think, came with free Wakeboard type speakers. So they're two 6.5-inch tower speakers. They're actually black, they're not white. The picture just shows white on the box. And I also ordered the MTX dash speakers, and they came free with a 400 watt 2-channel MB Quart amp. So I wasn't planning on an amp or the tower speakers, to be honest with you, but the price was exactly the same whether you ordered just the Rockford Fosgate head unit or whether you chose to get the free speakers. So, I mean, even if I don't use them, free is free and it's all brand new stuff. The MB Quart amp is very similar to the one Polaris uses for their ride command system. I think it's a 300 watt, very similar anyways. So we'll give it a shot and see what happens. I have nothing to lose. So I'm going to start a couple unboxing videos here for you folks that enjoy that sort of stuff. Sometimes it's interesting, sometimes it's boring. Make of it what you will. Then we'll head out to the shop and we'll see how everything starts to go into the RZR. I'm also interested to find out what I need with this, whether there's wiring for the amp, whether there's fuses. I don't know if anything comes with speaker wire or not. I kind of doubt it, but we'll see. We'll get into the boxes. These came a few days ago and I just didn't have time to open them yet. So let's take a look, shall we?